Alright, I'm about to throw all the oil, automatic transmission fluid in there. Gonna get this thing a start and see how it goes, see what we missed. So I just filled it up with fluids, got this filled up with antifreeze, automatic transmission fluid, and got this all set up. Just started it for the first time. Had a couple problems. It started up. Well, at first I wanted to start up, but it wasn't going. So the first thing I did was double check my spark plugs, and I had them wrong. Of course I did, because I'm an idiot. But whatever. Had them wrong. Fixed them. Started right up. After it started, got a couple chickens and lights. Put the paper clip in this 2-pin. You find it on the passenger side. It's like a 2-pin blue connector, and then it'll start flashing on the check engine light right here. So the long pulses are the first number, the short pulses are the second number, and then there will be a pause in between. Totally makes sense. So, alright, these are the codes I got: 10, 14, 21, and 22. Code 10 was, I believe, intake air temperature sensor, and code 14 was idle air control valve. Might have had those backwards, but it's alright. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I had those flipped because it was a 50-50 shot of which ones was which. I think I got it wrong. Let's hope I got it wrong. I switched them. Let's see if those codes went away. And I also reset the ECU. So I just unplug the battery for like a minute. It'll reset the check engine light codes, I hope. And the code 21 and 22, easy fix. They're VTEC solenoids. There's no VTEC on this engine, and I'm waiting on an automatic PS6 ECU. So that's an easy fix too. Well, it was always an easy fix, and I knew I was going to get those codes anyways. So let's see where this goes. Well, that started up pretty nicely. 1. So I still have a code 10. Had some of the plugs back here swapped. So I fixed those. I checked to make sure they're all correct and the right thing. And it was still throwing a code 10, which is the intake air temperature sensor. So I pulled the damn thing out. It's broken as hell, so I got a new one from O'Reilly's. Fuck that, put it. Got a new one from O'Reilly's, so we're gonna throw this in. And hopefully if I can fix the problem, because if not, then damn it. And this one's not broken. Yay. Alright. We're gonna throw this thing in. Hopefully it works. Alright, as you see, we just got the new one installed. I'm gonna plug it all back in. Maybe. I can reach down there. Alright. Go down, plug down. Cool. Got them plugged in. Now I'm going to pull the ground wire off the battery so I can reset the ECU. It says nothing. Alright, what a start. Alright, so I just rechecked the automatic transmission fluids, make sure they were good, and topped it off. And I pulled the radiator cap off so I can get all the air out of the system, and I'm about to start the car right now. We had replaced the O2 sensor and it actually fixed it, so there's no check engine light that I need to worry about. Let's start this thing up and see how this rolls. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Oh. Let this run for about 20 minutes, I'd say, and should get most, if not all, the air out of the system for the coolant. Top off the coolant overflow, and we should be good.